New businesses in the Keweenaw have certainly benefited from the MTech Smart Zone, but so have Fortune 500 companies that have found a valuable resource in the area.
The other thing that happened that was very significant for us is and we did not predict this when we first did the proposal, was that we would have Fortune 500 and Tier 1 and Tier 2 companies interested in putting engineering design facilities in this area.
The relationship between these companies and Michigan Tech provides the students with real-world experience.
Even if they don't go to work after they graduate with that company, they get a great letter of reference. They are in a real, practical, typically engineering situation.
The combination of young, skilled engineers and a community willing to pull their resources together has helped the MTech Smart Zone change the economic landscape of the area.
You don't see too many businesses leaving it downtown anymore. In fact, we've got more people coming than going. We've got people looking for space downtown. We have a need for probably more space so we can find it.
As the high-tech sector grows in the Keweenaw, the MTech Smart Zone will continue to build and attract companies that will bring more jobs.
We are looking for those companies who want to grow a business, not a lifestyle company, but a business that hires people to gain customers, to keep going in the community, and we're looking for those people who want to create livelihood for the whole area.
For ABC 10 CW5 News Now, I'm Keweenaw Bureau reporter Rick Allen.